It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, I'm going to do a Hobby Lobby haul. When we were on vacation in Arizona, we went to Meza and I saw Hobby Lobby there, and this is my second one I've done in Arizona, which you'll see connected. There'll be another video I'll show you later on after this one. That I enjoyed myself, and this one was the intent of finding things to decorate my backyard, because I want to do a lot of work and gardening and stuff in the back, and I want it to look really nice and amazing. So a lot of the stuff, some of it's crafts and some of it, majority, is stuff that I plan on using to decorate in my backyard. And the reason I got this stuff, it was a great deal, because I would tell you, majority of the stuff, probably 80%, was on for half price. I'm looking at the receipt here now, and everything was on sale. 50%, 30, and 40. But all the metal that I bought was half off, so it was a fantastic deal. So let's get started. I can't wait to show you. So exciting. Like Christmas. All right, so in this bag, I got these dies. Okay, and I know I got this on sale because I didn't pay full price of this, but it's $19.99. It's so cute. I can do this for cats or any kind of like cat decoration, animal lovers cards. And it came with the stamp, and it came with the die cuts, which is a really good deal. $19.99, and I know I saved at least, I think, 30 or 40% off of this one. Look at how cool that is. Right, and the next one, I got one other one, because I like doing stuff with dogs and cats, obviously. I have Lacey, which you met in previous videos, and I have two cats named Andy and Honey. Anyways, so here's a dog one. This was $14.99, and it's got, like, you know, it's got 4 little dogs. It's so cute, 4 little dogs, and it comes with the connecting die cuts with it, just like the cat one. So that was $14.99, and I know I got a deal on that one too. If I look at it, I think it's 30% off I got on this one. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is, well, this was, I think I paid $5.99, but it's a really good glue. You know, this one, everyone's going to know in the craft world, E6000. It's such a good glue that where I can't use it on metals or certain things, I can use this glue. I have all kinds, but I know it says on here fabric, metal, wood, ceramic, and more. So I know this is a really good glue, and for $5.99, to me, that's a good deal. Maybe not for everybody, but where I've paid it on and bought it, I paid like $10. So this was good for me. I was happy with this. Okay, and I have some more bells. I got bells on the last one, but I bought more because I know I could do a lot of projects for Christmas or all kinds of stuff, like toys for dogs or cats. So I got different sizes. This was $3.99. Again, I think I got a discount on it because I don't see anything on my bill where I didn't get a discount on it. And this was a bigger size, 20 piece, 25 mil, $3.99. And this was 40 pieces, and it's 20 mil. So you can see these are a little more bigger. But because of what project I want to do, the different size dolls. Okay, I'm going to put this aside for now. And the next thing I got was these little clips, because I'm thinking of doing some crafts with hair or something in it. So I thought this might come in handy. And it's called Jewelry Shop $2.99. Again, that's $2.99. You get, how many of these you get? 15 pieces, so I think that's a good deal. And then these are a little different. These ones are like straight across, like that. And these are like a little side clip. So this can be clipped on a hat or whatever you want to do with this. This is going to be cool. Flowers I can do. It's going to come in handy. It's $2.99 for 25 pieces. So now this was a really good deal. I found this brooch. I just loved it. And for $3. Look at that. I'm sure that's one of my really good deals I really like, because I do like animals. And there you go. You got a African rhino pin. An African rhino pin. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna figure out something right for this, but I just love the pin. All right. Now, all right, this is gonna go look so good. I got this half off too. This was maybe 30% off. I don't know. I got a deal on it. It's regular $24.99, and I'm gonna put this in our backyard. It opens up here. I don't want to break it in front of you here, but I know it opens up there. And then I'm going to put a candle inside, and probably battery operated, whatever. Ouch, that hurt. Anyways, it's a cute little thing. Oochie mama, oochie mama. All right, we'll put that down. Oh, Lacey, come here, Lacey. Well, she might as well. She doesn't always. Oh, she really wants to see this one. There we go. Lacey wants to be involved with this one. Hi, Lacey. Say hi, everyone. Hi, Lace. You want to come up? Give a little kiss? Okay. Woo! Look at that. Lacey need to be involved. She likes this sometimes. Sometimes she's not in the mood, but today she's in the mood to see you on camera. So she says, "Hello, everybody." Yeah, she's a good girl. She came to Arizona with us too. Hey, hi. Okay, you want to get down? Good girl. Okay, well now we're gonna straighten up the hat and get back to all the good things. Okay, so I got another one, and this time I'm not opening it in front of you because I don't want to pinch my finger. That kind of hurt. But it's a cute one. See this one, and this one, and this one was $15.99 with again good prices for this stuff. A little bit of a discount. Yeah, I think this was less of a discount, but I don't think probably 30%. This one looks like it to me, but the rest you're going to see is all 50%. Okay, I'm going to put that down out of the way and show you the good stuff. This is all going in my backyard, all the metal. I just want something really different. So this was a good find here. I like this one. They can hang up. Let's see, they're like this. I think you can see it all. And if you, on the back it tells me, oh, I'm going to put it in a little bit. So you can see they're going to be on my back fence, I think. And I know you can't see my face, but I'm reading the back. It said it was regular $34.99, and I've got them for $17.50 a piece. So that's a really good steal. Look at how good they're made, and they're huge. You know, yeah, it says it's 16.73 by 20.87 inches. Nice. It's going to show up really nice. You know, in time it has a good protective thing, and even if it did rust, I could paint it and redecorate it. So that's why I stuck to metal outside, because even if it gets a little rough, you can fix it up and design it any way you want. All right, so we got those. Oh, there we go. Put that up there. Get it out of the way. Now this one I like, and I call this my family tree. I might even put something on here with all my family's names on it. I think it's a really good piece for the backyard. And this one was $19.99, and I got it for half price, which is like $10, a little under $10. How can you go wrong with that piece? Look at how nice that is. And I might put something like in permanent marker and spray it with a clear coat with everybody's name on it. I might do that. That's kind of a cool thing to do. Anyways, so it's a really good deal. I was very happy with all the deals I got. Here's another piece that I really like. Here's a sturdy piece. Again, at any point in time, if this starts to look rough, I can sand it down and paint it whatever color I want. And even like, I can do this effect. You just use sandpaper. Now this one was $29.99, which is $30. So this went for $15. And look at how strong that is. This is an amazing deal. Really good deal. Oops. Let's see what's next. Okay, so I got this for my husband, and we, I think I got, it wasn't 50%, but it was about 30-40% off. And here it is. It was $14.99, and he loves Route 66, so we're going to put that up in the garage. Big fan of Route 66, so that's all we talked about going up there. Anyways, put that back down. And this other piece I got, again, this was 50% off, $11.99, so it's 12, $6. $6, look at this. And this one says welcome. You know, I'm going to hang it there. I think I'm going to put this on the back doors. It's going to look really sharp. Okay, and I have another outdoor in the back garage door, so I thought One's gonna have welcome, and one is gonna have gather, because we do gather in the summertime in my backyard. Okay. There we go. And again, this is the same. It was $11.99, 12 bucks, so I got that for $6. $6, look at that. I mean, amazing the deals I got at Hobby Lobby. Just love it. Oh, this is another one. I'm thinking of, I'm gonna put this out. I paid $29.99, so this would have been half off, so it's 15%. And I'm gonna show you. Love this tray. I'm thinking of, there we go. I hope you can see it all. I'm thinking of putting like I bought a glass jar of water to make lemonade and put glasses to make it really fancy up there. So when I entertain, you know, I can just bring the tray out. It's gonna look really cool. All right. There we go. And a few more things, just 2 more things, but, all right. This is kind of personal. Since my name begins with a D and my husband's name begins with a B, I'll let you figure out what that is, her name. But anyways, look at how cool this is. This is gonna go up in the backyard. This one, and this. Look at how sturdy. I got it upside down here. Let's fix it up. I don't know. I should be important first, so I might go first. D&D. So anyway, so these were worth $29.99, $15. And so I got them 2 for $30 because they're both half off 50%. Look at how sturdy this is with the metal, the wood. Oh, it's amazing. It's really heavy. $15. Like, I just couldn't believe the deals you can find. And definitely, when I go through this, I'll film it again, because when I go next, I'm going to go find another Hobby Lobby. And whenever I do this, because I had so much fun, I will surely show you what haul I brought in. So there you go. That's the last of this. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. You give a thumbs up for a like, subscribe, and comment. I really appreciate that. It helps my channel go far. The more subscribers and the more comments helps me out a lot. And I get better and better by people commenting to my videos. So thank you again. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.